Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I am More Tanvi and I would really appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to our channel below. In today's video, I would be telling you about the gold membership of our company, that is Startup Lanes. Startup Lane membership, key to success for entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs are the backbone of the economy. It can be exciting as well as liberating to an entrepreneur. However, entrepreneurship isn't easy. You might have seen founders celebrating the funding round of their startup and then again raising the funds after registering losses. Although it is fascinating to receive funding, there is a tough job that has to be done every day for your startup. Several founders approach for us for funding, overlooking the other aspects of entrepreneurship. You should understand that entrepreneurship is much more just funding. Your primary job is to solve the problem of the masses through innovation and effective execution of your solution. You can dream big and you can achieve big being an entrepreneur. However, to solve the problem of the society, the entrepreneurs have to face their own problems in the due course of entrepreneurship. It's thrilling to face the overcome and challenges to your entrepreneurial journey. However, sometimes it can be extremely frustrating and it can cost you a lot than just money. Shishir Gupta, the founder of Startup Lanes, said, "During the initial days of my career as an entrepreneur, nobody wanted to work me as my business was small and my office was located at the off-site semi-commercial location. During the interview, most of the candidates saw the entire office left to right and then never joined. Many times the candidate didn't even enter the office and returned from the door. And that wasn't the only challenge. Getting the business was extremely difficult. Sales is not easy when your structure is small and you have limited sources for marketing. Every day is a challenge while you are building your company in initial stages, and trust me, this is the challenge is worth taking. If you consider the efforts to reward ratio of the entrepreneurship, business comes from reference and references comes from trust. But while you are building your company, in the early days, nobody is willing to trust you. People often decide to trust you on the basis of the assets or your proposals. They might see your office, car, smartphone or other expensive stuff. To be very honest, money seems to be the criteria for their trust. You can't change them, but you can definitely make them trust you. And yes, there are many ways to success, and these points I will discuss with you in this video. Entrepreneurs can cry in open. Your staff might leave you if they come to know that your business is not going well. They will start looking for a job immediately, and that's normal. Every day, everybody wants to work for a company that can offer a stable career and salary on time. If your customer get to know that you are not doing well in the business, then they might shift their demand to your competitors. You will need to talk to somebody and discuss about the happenings in your business. But you can't discuss business with your parents every time. They might push you towards a stable career option like a corporate job or maybe the family business of construction, trading or a shop in a main market. You can't discuss with your spouse. If you don't have a strong marriage, you will compound the problem. Even if it's a happy married life, it might get disturbed because of bringing office problems at home. Problems. There are problems everywhere for an early stage entrepreneur. Sometimes it's the staff or your friends who are doing good in their job and try to make you feel low when they flaunt their luxury car or foreign tours, or relatives who always say that you have taken this right decision. The problem never leaves you in the entrepreneurship. The lack of resources will always haunt you. Sometimes it's low market budget, sometimes it may be low salaried staff, or maybe the product and services delivery issues, or many times it is the dissatisfied customer. Then what is the solution? The solution is all to your problems is community. Yes, I know you might be thinking that the following question: how can a community help in hiring a good team? Can the community pay the salary of the staff? Can community give me more leads? Can the community convert into more sales? Will the community listen to my problems? Will the community give me solutions? Can a community give me funding? SL Accelerators is the freemium accelerator. It is committed to providing the following into its members: funding, branding, sales. Do I have to pay the membership fees now? No, not now. We understand the importance of money for the founder while you have the low budget. That's why we created the freemium model of membership. You can join us as a bronze member for free and experience the benefits before paying anything for the membership fees. We don't ask for your credit card number or bank account. It's completely free without any commitments to become a paid member. You may convert your membership status to gold from bronze at any point of the time. There is no compulsion to join as a gold member. You can decide to opt for gold membership only when you are ready to take benefits of premium service. We offer you a free bronze membership through which you can find solutions for your business problems, generate leads, prove references, get integration, collaboration, and fundraising opportunity, receive assistance in research, innovation, invention, and much more. We are a startup accelerator. Our focus is upon increasing your revenue, helping you scale territories, get funded, and become a unicorn. If you are satisfied with your services of bronze membership, you can upgrade it to gold membership and get unlimited access to all of these services. 7,700 founders can't be wrong. Since the day we started in 2016, the community is getting bigger and better every day. We still remember the day when 20 startup founders randomly picked joined the first meetup in Noida. The outcome was great. Almost everyone got more sales and different benefits because of the community. We asked everyone in the meeting to refer at least 2 customers to each member in the next 2 weeks, and then that worked. This boosted my confidence to scale up and the community all across the world. Now, we are a happening community of 7,700 founders located in 56 cities across 15 countries. We have our regional directors in 56 cities to help you grow your business. You made us grow fast. We were ranked by Growjo as fastest growing tech company, ranked 113th in the world. Networking is not about just connecting people. We ensure that you connect with people, and you have to ensure that they start marketing your product and services. You should focus on getting knowledge, support, leads, and reference from your community. You will never be lonely. There will always be people around you in the community who will inspire you and help you in your growth. You should also do the same while you are in the Startup Lanes community, because givers always gain. Business comes from people. The community gives you people. It's simple, but there is definitely more to it. Apart from an amazing community, we offer you several benefits which we have categorized into 2 categories. First is immediate benefits, and second is extended benefits. Now let me elaborate these benefits for you. First are immediate benefits, in that the first is sales lead. The need of one more startup is the lead for another member startup. We generate B2B leads for all the gold members to keep your business running smoothly. For sharing your requirements in the SL ecosystem, you will receive SL money along with the best price and granted delivery of work through our managed across as a service system. We also push your product and services to entire network through monthly deals, which will result in generating more sales leads. Second is business booster. We offer free boosters for your startup that will save your thousands of dollars. We also provide fully utilizable credit for branded products and services. You get $6,500 Amazon AWS credits and 55 other benefits to Startup Lanes credit cards with a free credit limit. Additionally, you get $1,600 Alibaba Cloud, $4,000 Freshwork, and many more like Paytm, InstaMojo, Hojo, CureFit, Zoliday, Code Chef, Code Judgment, Club, Keka, etc. Third, branding activities. Startup Lanes has a very strong and popular social media presence. Our CEO has received over 1 million likes on his LinkedIn post and 1.3 million views in Quora. We constantly promote our gold members through our entire network of social media handles. The SL Startup of the Month is covered by 55 plus renowned media globally. This is published every month, including the names of our members. We are also launching SL Deals of the Month for our gold members in mid-February, and will soon be launching our digital magazine to promote our members. The circular will be 1 million readers.
Fourth, referral commission. Gold members receive 5% referral commission for the businesses they refer under SL Plus lead model. Each gold members can cross-sell any product or service enabled through the global network of Startup Lanes. With this, you won't be forceful, and any lead as your startup needs more revenue and every lead adds to your growth. You will also get a referral commission for your efforts for offering additional products and services to your existing clients. We also at Startup Lanes have completely human-managed system for this.
Fifth is angel funding. Startup Lane has its own network of angel investors, SL Angels for India-based investors and NRI Angel for investors based abroad. Gold members can raise funds from any of these networks without paying any startup and setup or activation fee. Only a success fee is applicable. Gold members will also get priority success to raise funds through the upcoming app of Startup Lanes. Sixth, free consulting. Gold members receive free hourly consulting from our mentors and domain experts every week based upon the time sharing method. We organize Ask Me Anything, that is AMA session for our gold members with exos of reputed companies to help them get expert advices. Additionally, gold members receive free domain specific consulting from members by the various domains like tax, marketing, branding, sales, lead generation, recruitment, finance, B2G sales, tenders and many more. 7th, leadership role. It is mandatory to become a gold member for taking up any role at Startup Lanes like regional director, chapter director, associate director, mentor funding director, investment director, marketing director and community director. Taking up leadership role can help gold members in generating more business from the community as well as getting direct commercial benefits by promoting products and services of Startup Lanes. The 8th is crowdsourcing solution. Startup Lanes provides you with an opportunity to discuss your problems in our events and social groups to enable you to crowdsource solutions through the community. You can seek help from the community for free by paying a specific task. You will need community support in day-to-day activities as it is extremely difficult for a startup to hire experts in every domain. However, in case you still don't find the right solution, we will put up your problem in our social media handles to reach a wider audience. 9th are events. Startup Lane organizes regular events in all the cities of operation. Our gold members get exclusive and priority access to the funding events. The bronze member can only join our events a maximum of 3 times anywhere in the world. However, our gold members get unlimited access for our free at a discounted price in any case a fee is applicable. 10th are discounts. Gold members get attractive discounts on almost all the products and services offered by Startup Lanes. Exclusive gold member deals are offered to the gold members from time to time which result in lot of saving for members. We have tie-ups with various sellers and that allow you to receive the lowest price for the product or services. Seller often offers discount to Startup Lanes community because of the large number of members. Now I will be moving to the second benefit, that is extended benefit, which is first part is motivation. Entrepreneurs are self-driven. There is generally nobody to motivate to report to. This may at times lead to lack of motivation as there is nobody to cheer you up. This problem is solved through the Startup Lanes community called Startup Lanes Entrepreneurs. The community will mentor your progress and celebrate your achievements. The community will identify ways to solve your problems and lead your startup to growth. The second is integration. The introduction of APIs, SaaS application and mobile devices has created a massive integration wave. The resulting shift in the way we connect is forcing an IT mega change, unlike anywhere we have seen before. As the development model moves from writing lengthy codes to composing IPs together, a new generation of middle-sized application architect is being born. Startup Lanes need to integrate their product services with others to rapidly distribute their offering and grow their revenues. Our community provides various opportunities for integration. The third is mentorship. As an entrepreneur, it's exciting to stand alone and create something of its own. However, in reality, while you have made great ideas, most of the times you might not understand what to do with your venture to develop into a sustainable business. Mentors provide a necessary information and knowledge that you need to keep your startup. We partner with industry leaders to mentor your community members. Fourth is corporate connect. Startup founders need to connect with large companies for getting business and raising funds. Our community communicators With top level executives of being organized constantly, we invite corporate exos to provide an opportunity to our members to connect as per their requirements and preferences. This is a win-win agreement for both parties, as big companies also need to learn or collaborate with startup for innovation and new funding products, development and testing. Fifth is learning. Our free and paid training session ensure that each member keeps on learning new skills. We organize training sessions on growth hacking, marketing, basic technologies like website development and advanced topics like AL, deep learning, a lot, etc. This keeps a lot of entrepreneurs updated with the latest industry trends. The knowledge exchange session enhance the knowledge of each members. Each gold member can organize a free training session for the community to generate sales leads as they benefit both learner and the experts. 6. Global network. Every member of Startup Lanes is a part of the Startup Lanes global family. Each member can network, associate and take support from members all across the world. Our network is growing at a rapid pace, ensuring that different kinds of entrepreneurs, exos, mentors, ecosystem enablers, professionals, investors, and innovators are able to network with each other and work towards helping each other reach their business goals. 7th is MEAAS. We offered Managed Escrow as a service to all the buyers of product and services, ensuring that they get the best price and satisfaction. Sellers can't cheat the buyers as the advance money is sent to Startup Lanes and kept safe in the escrow. We don't release the money unless the buyer is satisfied with the product or the services of the seller. We have real humans to manage the entire process, which ensures that the business of the members runs smoothly and everybody gets the best value of the money. We don't expect everyone as our gold members. There is a selection criteria. There's a reason we don't have a button connected to a payment gateway to pay and become a gold member. We offer annual membership. However, there is several gold members who haven't been asked to renew since we have started from January 2016. We are renewing them for free. Yes, this is because our relationship is much more than money. Although money is needed to keep up for our expenses, it connects, keep us away. Enough of Gyan, right? I am sure that's enough. I know that you want to become a gold member now. However, you should become a bronze member and join for free before you opt for becoming a gold member. This is a long-term relationship that you should be mutual. We exist because of you, and our only objective is to ensure that your business always grows. Feeling excited? Do you want to wish to our gold membership? Then click in the description below and fill a simple application form. Yes, I want you to become a gold member of our company. If you want more details regarding this news, please visit our website called startuplanes.com. Also, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel if you have liked this video. Also, don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.